monkeys. The monkeys are enjoying about two things in this yard right now. Two things. They are enjoying this. Here it is. Passion fruit, granatilla. They are having a good time. Even the ants now are enjoying the leftovers. Look at the ants. And they are also enjoying this. Yeah. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. So let me go show you where they're getting this. Not sure yet if they are also enjoying the oranges, but we are sure of the passion fruit and the sweet potato because we have evidence. So passion fruit, here it is. They're getting it from here. There I saw another one there. No, there isn't much here. Let's see if we're gonna find in here. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. So as soon as this granatillas ripen off, the monkeys are right on top of it, and that's why I don't think we will have any of it, but we will see with time. And the sweet potato comes from the side of the yard. Just bear with me. You will see just now where the sweet potato is. It comes from there. I've harvested some of it because of exactly this reason, that the monkeys, they now have access in this enclosure. Because you see, I harvested a few of it because the fence here, you can see the fence here is broken, so the monkeys can come in and dig. Just want to show you, maybe you will see. They come in here and they dig the sweet potato out. Yeah, you can see here they were digging here, and they dig, but this is now ginger, and they don't care. That's ginger, but they were digging there. They come in here and they dig the sweet potato out. You can see here there was a sweet potato here. They snapped it off and they ran with it. Yeah, so that's the major thing right now. So as you can see here, this is where I dumped all the soil and the sleeves of sweet potato that I harvested there, and the same thing will happen when I harvest this. With these, I will also be getting the ginger out and all that, because now this thing is so broken. Yeah, it's now even on that side. I can show you. Even on this side, you see. Even on this side, it is. Yeah. So that's why the monkeys are having a great time at this stage, at this point in time. You see, even this one is broken. Anyway, it's okay. Monkeys must enjoy while it lasts.